Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to insert a video into your Google Sites website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the options that you have for managing your Google websites. Here you can go ahead and create a website, and here you can see all of the sites that you have already created in the Google Sites. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the websites that I have by clicking on them right here. And as you can see now, this will open up the website and the page. So guys, let's say that I want to insert a video that is going to be right here and people will be able to watch. Let's go ahead to the right side of the screen guys, under the insert option, and let's go ahead and look. They have the text box option, the images option, embed and drive, but guys, there is no video option. And why is that guys? Because Google Sites does not allow you to upload videos from your computer. But this doesn't mean you cannot insert videos. You can just not upload them from your computer. So guys, what you have to do is first go ahead and insert the video to your Google Drive. You have to upload it to Google Drive, and after that we can go ahead and insert the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Drive, and this will now open up our Google Drive or our account. And now let's go ahead and find the video that we have uploaded. As you can see, I'm going to scroll down all the way down and find the video. This is the video right here that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click on the video. After double clicking guys, now this will add the video to our Google website. As you can see, now we can drag it wherever we want, put it wherever we want, and as you can see, now people visiting our website will be able to see the video that right here that we have inserted into the website. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.